You can see that the pound was dead during the Asian session. Europe sold it down to about 98.75. It found a bit of support and then took off to the upside. If we focus back over here on the hourly, that's this little move down and then this very fast move back to the upside. And as we notice the market starting to go sideways, really we've got a couple of options here. I don't know why that is just staying on my screen. Well, first of all, if we're looking to trade at the beginning of the European session, we've definitely got an area to trade against. We've got this double bottom here, which if we go over to the hourly chart, is the double bottom keying in off of the tail end of the New York afternoon, and then the prices here just before the European session. But really the best trade came in after the market started to reverse up. So, for example, if you're trading and you're watching the marketplace, trade in through all of this, and let's say you miss all of this. You don't get in here, you don't get in over here. Once the market starts coming back up, we have an opportunity to trade, and especially because of the velocity with which the market starts moving up. So let's take a look at the hourly chart here. And as any market is moving around, we've got to understand that the bigger the bar from high to low, the more momentum there is. In other words, it symbolizes a flood of orders. So obviously during this single hour, there were a flood of orders coming into the market to buy the pound. And we can see that in this hour, the market pushed up, closed well off of the high. So if we go over here to the 15-minute, we can see what that looks like. It really happened all inside of 15 minutes. The market pushed up and then came back down. What this means is sellers came in. Sellers came in and pushed the market down. So at this point, we have a potential trade setting up. And remember, the key to this is remembering that we're looking for this already. Okay, we talked about this last night. We said there are really two possibilities. We're at the point where it looks like we could see the market getting a big push to the upside, or because of the resistance that's in this area, we could also see the market getting pressured and pushed back to the downside. So as we see this hour play out,